Failed construction projects, unfortunately, are not rare. Today you will see moments of the biggest construction errors and design failures, and most importantly, their consequences. Get ready to remember the rules of safety, and let's go. In 2017, one of the most serious accidents in U.S. history occurred at the Oroville Dam. Heavy rains caused the water level in the reservoir to rise, putting pressure on the dam and damaging the spillway. Nearly 200,000 people had to be evacuated, the largest evacuation in U.S. history. Specialists later reinforced the drainage system and the dam itself. Though there were no victims, it showed the importance of constant monitoring of infrastructure. The Arts Pedregal is a large shopping and entertainment center in Mexico City, inaugurated in 2017. But despite high construction standards and its short existence, in 2018 part of the building collapsed. Fortunately, there were no victims. Investigations revealed that the cause was structural problems, possibly related to design or construction flaws, as well as the use of inadequate materials. In August 2015, 2 construction cranes collapsed in the city of Alphen aan den Rijn. In the Indian state of Bihar, a 4-lane bridge over the Ganges River collapsed for the second time while still unfinished. The first time, experts pointed to 2 reasons: a loose cable and low-quality materials. But before the second collapse, a part of the structure was damaged by a storm and apparently not fully repaired. Locals are already panicking about using the bridge even before its completion. In June 2019, a dramatic incident was recorded in Nanning, China: the collapse of a highway. Large cracks had appeared beforehand, and construction workers noticed them in time to evacuate and block traffic. In Dallas, Texas, part of a building remained standing after a failed demolition. Every engineering error like this is investigated to prevent future mistakes. In Xi'an, China, the wall of an abandoned factory collapsed, damaging 17 cars, including a Rolls-Royce Ghost. Losses exceeded $400,000.
整面墙都砸到了车身上，还好我们车里面没坐人。
The Mount Poly mine disaster in Canada happened in August 2014 when the tailings dam burst, releasing toxic waste into rivers. Over 10 million cubic meters of contaminated water spread, causing an environmental catastrophe. The cause was poor design and structural weakness. In September 2024, part of the historic Carola Bridge in Dresden, Germany, collapsed into the Elbe River. Reconstruction is expected to begin soon. In Shenzhen, China, December 2020, 15 high-rise buildings were demolished in just 45 seconds with 3 tons of explosives, safely and without serious damage to surrounding structures. In Taiwan, April 2024, the strongest earthquake in 25 years severely damaged the Uranus building, a 9-story structure that tilted 45 degrees. It was later demolished after an emergency evacuation. In 2023, in Sao Paulo, Brazil, a sewage pipe burst on the orange line of the metro, flooding tunnels. Reports blamed either water supply problems or construction errors in the water systems. In July 2023, a construction crane caught fire and partially collapsed in New York City. The suspected cause was hydraulic fluid contacting hot metal. Thankfully, no one was seriously injured. In April 2018, Viborg, Denmark, a 50-meter silo fell in the wrong direction during demolition, destroying part of a nearby library. Uh-oh.
Burada durmaz ki. Normal.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Isn't that...